guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video is going to technically be part 2 of my extreme clean and organize with me video. Now last week I put out part 1 and I'll definitely put that in the description box below. But what happened was we just got back from Disney and we just took everything that was in the car and basically threw it in the house, and then within 24 hours our house was pretty much a wreck. So the next morning, we didn't want to bother it the night before, but the next morning I definitely wanted to tidy up and do some detail cleaning, so I decided to go ahead and pick up the camera. So today the rooms that we're going to be tackling is the kitchen, is the entryway, the bathroom, and the closet, and I'm going to be doing some organizing as well. So if you need some cleaning motivation or some organizing motivation, this is definitely the video for you, and I want you to go ahead and get up and do it with me. And so let's go ahead and tackle those spaces together today. So as you saw, the first thing I did was clear off the countertops. So I pretty much just put everything where it goes in the correct location. And now I'm just emptying the dishwasher, and then I'm going to load the dirty dishes up. I want to know in the comments below, do you enjoy unloading the dishwasher? Like for me, I do not enjoy unloading the dishwasher whatsoever. I'm not quite sure why. And you guys know I don't like folding laundry either. I would say these are probably like the top 2 house chores that I honestly dislike doing. So I noticed whenever I was putting the silverware up, this drawer was just getting a little bit unorganized for me, and just things were sort of everywhere within the drawer. So I just took like 2 to 5 minutes to organize it, and you guys will see that in a second. But there's a tip for you guys. If you are doing like your regular cleaning routine where you're cleaning up the kitchen and you just see something that is a little bit more messier than you would want it to be, instead of saying, oh, I just need to handle, reorganize the kitchen another day, you can just take those few minutes to actually clean that space or reorganize that space, and whenever you come back to your kitchen, do another space. That will definitely help you out a lot, so that way you're not so overwhelmed whenever you are organizing your spaces within your home.
I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch. That's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know. Oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah, up on the mountaintop. So I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that really makes me wanna speak my mind, yeah.
So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wipe off my countertops. I feel like a kitchen is not clean without doing this step, but I always use my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. Honestly, like I said in the last video, I use that for everything. I just don't like to make cleaning complicated, so I just use Mrs. Meyer's throughout the whole house. The only time I'll change it up is if I want to disinfect something, because it is like an all-natural cleaner. But for the most part, I use Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray for everything.
Let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to you.
So the next room we're going to tackle, or I guess I should say the next space we're going to tackle, is the entryway area. And this is technically becoming our like catch-all space. Also between that and the kitchen countertops, I would say they're in competition with each other as far as our catch-all space. But as far as the entryway, all I'm going to do is just place all these items where they belong, and then I'm just going to wipe it down with my Mrs. Myers, and that space is pretty much good to go. I do sweep it later. I don't think I got that on camera, but most of the time I'm just, you know, sweeping and mopping this area along with wiping it down.
Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking.
So the next space we're going to tackle is something that I'm really dreading, but we had to put up all of our clean clothes. I did have a few pieces of dirty clothes I needed to throw in the hamper, but for the most part we just put up all of our clean clothes. I definitely took way more than I should have to Florida. I honestly didn't even use half of those clothes, but I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that does that. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do here, is just put all the clothes up, and then we're going to tackle the bathroom as well.
Never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, yeah, that's impressive.
If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you are needing any cleaning, organizing, or any type of motivation to get something done today, as I always say, if that's just to simply make your bed, this is definitely the channel for you, and I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family here.
How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me?
So we are almost at the end of putting up all the clothes. I'm going to be honest, that was pretty much exhausting, and watching myself do it looks pretty exhausting as well, but I'm glad it's done. And I always make sure when I put my clothes up, I do color coordinate them. I honestly feel like they just look the best that way, and it definitely helps whenever you're going for a piece of clothing that you know you're going to wear. But if you are working with a small space like ours, because we're sharing this small closet, it definitely works wonders as well whenever you're color coordinating your clothes. But I do have an organization closet video if you want to check that out, if you're looking for any tips and tricks or hacks on how to organize your small closet.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time.
last but not least, we're going to tackle the bathroom. And what I'm going to do is just put everything back where it belongs. And then we are going to do a little bit of organizing as well. So I'm going to take these gray bins out. I purchased those from TJ Maxx. They're wonderful bins, but I definitely wanted to brighten that space up a little bit more. So I'm going to use those bins in another organizing video that will be coming up. But I purchased those Think Space white bins from TJ Maxx as well. It was like $11.99 or $12.99 for 12, which I didn't think was bad. So we're going to use these white bins, and I definitely loved how this turned out.
Stepping on toes with these humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. With his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego.
So honestly, by this point, I had been cleaning for about 4 hours or so. I was pretty exhausted. So the last thing I did was wipe down the mirror, and then I did wipe the countertop off, but I didn't record that. And then I also cleaned the toilet, and I didn't record that as well. But I did finish the bathroom. It just wasn't right then and there, so I didn't record it. But I want to thank you guys for watching this organize and clean with me video. Hope it gives you all the motivation you need today to get something done, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Lasting